Today I'm going to teach you how to send new email subscribers a unique WooCommerce coupon code. This is a powerful way to incentivize people to join your mailing list and boost your store's conversion rates right from the start. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site. Once you're in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you do this, an expanded list of options will appear. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This is where you'll be able to browse and install new tools to extend your site's functionality. You'll now be on the Plugins page, which displays all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Noptin. This plugin is specifically designed to help you manage newsletters and automations seamlessly. From the search results, look for Newsletter and Automation plugin Noptin. Before installing, you might want to click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions better. Once you're ready and confident it's the right tool for your needs, click on Install Now. Keep in mind that the installation might take a little while, so be patient as the system processes everything. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the button change. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activating the plugin, your page will refresh automatically. Now look at your left navigation panel again, and you'll notice a new option labeled Noptin. Click on it and the menu will expand to show you several choices. From here, click on Settings to access the configuration options for Noptin. Under the Noptin settings page, click on Messages. This section is crucial because it allows you to customize the messages sent to your subscribers. You'll see a subscription confirmation section, and this is exactly where we can add your coupon code to reward successful subscriptions. Simply add in your unique WooCommerce coupon code to this field. This ensures that every new subscriber automatically receives the code in their confirmation email, creating an instant incentive for them to make a purchase. Once you've entered the coupon code, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Settings to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up your WooCommerce store to send new email subscribers a unique coupon code, turning casual visitors into engaged customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.